I'm Hugh with Beanstack. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to access the reader experience from your Beanstack home screen to view and log reading. This will empower you to help get students and staff comfortable with logging. When you log in, you'll land on the admin view. To access the reader experience, click on this green tab off to the right, labeled View Reader Experience. In the reader view, you will see what students and staff at your school see. Select Log Reading at the top of the page. The date defaults to today's date, but you can always backdate your reading session. This scanner is a phenomenal tool to demonstrate to your community, so let's use it now. Next, enter the time you read in minutes and note whether or not you completed the book. Then, you have the option to leave a review now, or you can always write a review later using the Write a Review button next to the Log Reading button on the home page. All right, let's click Log Reading. Hey, nice! We earned a badge. Now, you've logged your reading through the reader experience. To toggle back to the admin dashboard, click the green View Reader Experience tab on the right side of your screen. By accessing the reader experience and logging your own reading, you're able to assist students and staff with logging in Beanstack and taking those first steps toward building your school's reading community. We can't wait to see all the reading your school accomplishes and celebrates. Thanks for tuning in today. Be sure to check out our other Benny's Learning Lab videos and keep reading.